Here's my color palette. I want to recreate these colors because I want to step out of my comfort zone, start using different colors. So I have mixed my colors right there. Here's my Arteza colors that I used. Magenta light, violet, Mars black, titanium white, and raw sienna. Those colors helped me create this. And of course my Standy Flood Floetrol. And I'm going to be using my other standard KY. Not ready to mix it yet, but I wanted to give you an idea of what I'm doing. Got my big canvas set up here on my container lid on top of 4 cups. And we are going to do a puddle pour. 1 drop of KY, and then we are going to be ready to go. overnight. It has dried. I wanted to get the shadow in the water while it was wet, which is why I did it last night. So that's this lower half. And I just made the tiniest lines at the top so I knew where to make my reflections. And now today I'll go in and paint all the trees up here at the top. So the bottom half is smooth as can be with a few ripples from the water. Today I'll paint the trees up here above the water line. And this is where I did the torching. I only torched up at the top. A work in progress. Start to finish. Took a pour, made the background of the sky and the water, separated the two by the horizon of the land, brought their shadows down while the paint was still very wet last night, here and here. And then this morning, when it was maybe 20% dry, 25% dry, came in and finished off the trees at the top and because it was still very wet down here, I was able to add more shadow from the trees and more water ripple lines. And I'll let it dry again overnight and look at it. Who knows, I may want to put a little bit more depth in the trees, a little bit more black. I may leave it. I don't know. So, that's me signing off. Hope you enjoyed watching me do a puddle pour turned into an embellishment. I'd like to see you try it and see what yours look like. Thanks for watching.